Friends, it's Miss Helen from Spring Garden Academy, and I just wanted to show you how to do a fun experiment at home. All you will need is some paper towels. I think 6 paper towels. You'll need some food coloring, and you will need yellow, blue, and red, which are also known as the primary colors. You will need a couple of spoons just to stir with, and you will need some water. You will also need 7 glasses. If you don't have 7 glasses that are clear like mine, it's okay, it'll still work, but it's kind of cooler if you do have clear glasses like mine. And then you will also need some water. That's all you need for this really cool experiment. So let me show you what you have to do. You are going to fill this glass about half of the way. Oh, I did a little bit more. Then you're going to skip over a glass. And you're going to fill this one as much as you did the first one. Here I am making a pattern. Guess what? This one is going to be empty, so it goes full, empty, full, empty. What? Full, you guessed it right. And I'm going to go full, empty, full, empty, full, empty. So I'm not going to put any in there. And then I'm going to have the last one be full. Now I'm going to color my water. How did I do? Pretty even, yeah. Maybe a little bit more in this one. Okay. So this experiment is going to be making a rainbow caterpillar. And we are actually going to make our water, our color water walk. I'm going to start with red. I hope I have enough. 1, 2, 3, maybe a little bit more. Oh, I hope I have enough water. And then I'm going to make blue, and it doesn't have to be in this order. It can be in any order you want. Blue, red, yellow. All right, I'm making a nice blue. Then I'm making a yellow. And the last one is going to be the same color that I started with. So let me see, do I have enough red in here? Ugh, it doesn't want to come out, my friends. All right, it's gonna have to do. And now I'm gonna stir my colors. This one looks pretty good. It's red. I'm gonna use the same spoon. Oh, that's a little bit lighter. We'll have to see how it works. Now I'm gonna look at the blue. That looks pretty good, right? And then I'm gonna look at my yellow. That didn't even need to be stirred. Now this is the next part. I'm gonna take my paper towels, and I'm going to fold them like this. And I'm going to take my paper towel and stick part of it in the red and then part of it in the empty. I'm going to kind of put them close together. And then I'm going to take my next paper towel and do the same thing. I'm going to fold it like that. Kind of looks like a giant straw. And put this paper towel in between the empty one and the blue one. I'm going to move these a little bit closer together. And I'm going to keep doing this with every single paper towel. Blue into the empty one. And now I'm going to fold my paper towel again. Kind of like a little envelope. Empty to the yellow. 2 more paper towels to go. And what we're going to do is we're going to have to wait. I know it's hard to wait. But we're going to wait, and we're going to have to wait probably overnight. But let me tell you what's going to happen. This water is going to walk. I know that sounds crazy, doesn't it? It's going to come from this side, from the red, which actually looks more pink than red right now, but that's okay. It's going to come into this jar. And then some of this is going to come into this jar. And, well, cup. They're going to mix. And the red and the blue are going to mix together, and they're going to make, do you know what color? Purple. And the blue and the yellow are going to mix, and do you know what the color that's going to make? Green. And then the yellow and the red is going to make orange. And we have to wait overnight, but it's going to do that. So I want you to try this at home. It's really a lot of fun. You'll see it after I do it, but it's more fun to do it yourself for sure. Okay? I guess that's it. I miss you guys.